Good morning, children. Today's topic is adequate exercise and rest. Okay, which I already explained it to you in interactive session. But still, those who could not attend the interactive session, this is a recollection. For those who attended, this is the, and those who did not attend, they will know about this and adequate exercise and rest. Now, which is on page number 18. Okay. Daily and regular exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Okay. Now, exercise keeps the muscles toned up, and if we do not exercise, our body becomes lazy. If we exercise, our body is active and fit and healthy. If we do not exercise, it becomes lazy. Okay. And lethargic also, and it become weak and incapable of doing any hard work. Okay, our body is not ready to do any hard work if we do not do any exercise. Let's see the benefits of exercise. Exercise increases the blood supply to all parts of the body. Okay, and thus helps in rich supply of oxygen and remove the waste and toxin from the tissues and muscles. What is toxin and waste? That is what? It is carbon dioxide and sweat. Okay, toxins is sweat and the waste is carbon dioxide, and it takes more amount of oxygen. Okay, during exercise, one breathe deeper and faster. So when they walk and do exercise, you see we breathe very heavily, very fast. So this helps in removing impure air. The impure air which is hidden in the lungs comes out, and more of oxygen we breathe in. We take in more of oxygen. It also makes the lungs stronger. The more oxygen, okay, makes the lungs stronger, and all the impure air, carbon dioxide, comes out. Exercise keeps one's fresh and active throughout the day. If you do exercise early in the morning, you be fresh, active throughout the day. There are many things which you must know. Exercise increases the heartbeat and the rate of blood circulation. Blood circulation becomes faster. That means you get more oxygen to all parts of the body, and your heartbeat increases the heartbeat. And these prevent deposition of cholesterol in the blood vessels. Cholesterol deposit in the blood vessels and the heart can lead to heart attack, especially in people who do not exercise. Now what happens? The blood supply is there, no? The blood comes like this and goes. Okay? Like this it goes. So what happens when the blood is passing through the different vessels? What happens? If we do not do exercise, these vessels, suppose this is a vessel. Okay. Here the fat get deposits. The fat get deposits. See, suppose this is a blood vessel. Okay, like this. Now what happens? Fat gets deposit like this here. And here it get deposit. And it becomes narrow. Our blood vessels become narrow. Here it. And if we do not do exercise, more of fatty things you eat, the fat deposition becomes more, and it finally closes our blood vessels. And there is no supply of blood to the heart. Okay. So what will happen? There is no proper supply of blood to the heart. Then what happens? Cholesterol deposition. This is called cholesterol deposition on the upper and lower wall, upper side and lower side of the wall. And then the walls become narrow and there is no proper circulation of blood. So exercise is very, very important for our body. Exercise lead to increased blood supply to the brain. This makes the brain active and sharp. Okay, more amount of oxygen goes to the brain. It makes our brain sharper and it works faster. Okay. Posture and appearance of a person also increase. Your posture, you will not become like this. Posture will be straight. Okay. And self-confidence you get. Okay, exercise keeps one fresh and active throughout the day. Exercise keeps the body, especially joints, flexible and supple. Exercise improve immune system of the body, help the body fight the diseases, keep the body fit and strong so that will not get diseases frequently. Okay, it prevents the diseases. So we have to choose the exercise which fit our age. Older people should do a light exercise like walking, okay, and young people should do jogging and running. Okay, yoga is fit for all the people. See, older people cannot go for playing football and like that. No, they should only go for according to the age, they should do the exercise. But yoga is such an exercise from a small child to an older person. Anyone can do a yoga exercise. Yoga and meditation is also very, very important for our body. Now let's see about the proper rest. Okay, at the end of the day, by evening we feel very tired, okay, and we need rest. So early morning when we get up, we feel fresh. All our parts of the body are very fresh. Okay, so the muscles of the tired body get a chance to relax and regain strength. Okay, breathing becomes deep and slow.